You guys voted, and so I'm gonna be tinting my taillights on my $2,000 Tahoe. So I'm told to put a second coat on this, but it already looks very, very dark, and so that makes me think that I oversprayed on the first one, so I'm just gonna switch to the other tail light and spray that one. I forgot to get film of me spraying the left tail light, and so now here's this great video of me just peeling off the tape. This definitely looks way better than what the taillights were like, so you guys made a great decision on that other post. But there was definitely some overspray due to the rattle can having much less feather than what I'm used to, so I'm gonna have to sand it down and fix it.